तंगेल की धरती पर गूंज उठी। विमान में उस पल भारत की शक्ति के दूत और उसमें बैठे भारत के शेर। आप सभी के सामने पैरा ट्रूपर्स की पहली लहर।
The Indian Air Force and the Indian Army launched a bold plan, an airborne insertion deep behind enemy lines.
तंगेल ढाका से लगभग 100 किलोमीटर दूर उत्तर में स्थित एक रणनीतिक रूप से महत्वपूर्ण स्थान था। यहाँ प्रमुख सड़कें और पुल स्थित थे, जिन्हें काबू में लेना ढाका की ओर भारतीय सेना की आगे की बढ़त के लिए आवश्यक था। विमान में उस पल भारत की शक्ति के दूत और उसमें बैठे भारत के शेर। आप सभी के
Driving India closer to victory in 1971. Driving India closer to victory in 1971.
ढाका से लगभग 100 किलोमीटर दूर उत्तर में स्थित एक रणनीतिक रूप से महत्वपूर्ण स्थान था। यहाँ प्रमुख सड़कें और पुल स्थित थे, जिन्हें काबू में लेना ढाका की ओर भारतीय सेना की आगे की बढ़त के लिए आवश्यक था।
So it's a great honor for us to celebrate the Vijay Diwas today. It is today we celebrate the sacrifices made, the indomitable spirit of our predecessors who gave us this thumping victory in 1971 and liberated Bangladesh. We've already said that we never fight a war without a cause, and we all are aware what happened during 1971, what kind of atrocities were being made on the people of Bangladesh, and what kind of movement of Bangladeshis into our country was. So we had to stop it somehow and give them a thumping reply, and I'm very happy to share the memories of that time, the way Indian Air Force stood rock solid and delivered what was expected, whether it was during the Boira Day operations in November when 3 Sabre jets were shot in the air by our Nats, or whether it was during Meghna crossing or Tangel airdrop, or whether it was the final blow by attacking the governor's house in Bangladesh, which brought the war to an end. So in those 13 days of swift action by the Indian Armed Forces, we saw Pakistan coming to terms and buckling under pressure and calling it a ceasefire. So this operation was not only a big success for Indian Air Force, it was also a big success story we call the jointmanship also, because the kind of operations that were planned during the Meghna crossing or during Tangel drop, it wouldn't have been possible without the close coordination between Army and Air Force, and the way the three services operated together in the western sector, especially with the Navy also taking part. I think it was a very good lesson that we learned in jointmanship and how joint operations can win us a war in a quick time.